seeking a reliable construction company, one that merges innovation with experience, quality with affordability, and customer satisfaction with professional reliability. Welcome to the world of Vision Infra Projects. Vision Infra Projects is not just another name in the construction industry. It's the embodiment of a commitment to unparalleled quality, unbeatable customer satisfaction, and an unwavering dedication to the art of construction. At the heart of Vision Infra Projects is a team of seasoned professionals and skilled workers, with years of experience under their belt and a dedication to the craft that's second to none. They ensure every project is executed with precision and perfection. But what sets Vision Infra Projects apart from the rest? It's our flexible pricing. We understand that every client has unique needs and budget constraints. That's why we offer tailored solutions that fit snugly within your budget, without compromising on the quality of the final product. Quality is not just a buzzword at Vision Infra Projects, it's the cornerstone of everything we do. From the materials used to the techniques employed, every aspect of our work screams quality. And did we mention that we are fully insured? That's right, your investment is safe and sound with us, giving you peace of mind and an assurance that your project is in the right hands. One of the hallmarks of Vision Infra Projects is our transparency. There are no hidden costs, no unexpected surprises. We provide complete transparency from the initial quote to the final invoice. With Vision Infra Projects, you can stay updated on your project around the clock. Our 24/7 tracking system allows you to monitor the progress of your project anytime, anywhere. Time is of the essence, and we understand that. Our promise to you is on-time delivery, every time. You can rest assured knowing your project will be completed within the agreed timeframe, without any cost overruns. At the end of the day, what matters most to us is your satisfaction, and we go above and beyond to ensure that. Our Smart House solutions are a testament to our commitment to customer satisfaction. So why wait? Reach out to Vision Infra Projects today. We're located at plot number 248, HMT Sathavahana Nagar, KPHB, Hyderabad 500072. You can also call us at +916302575727 or drop us an email at visioninfraproject@gmail.com. Choose Vision Infra Projects for your construction needs. Choose quality, affordability, and reliability. Choose satisfaction. Choose the future of construction today.